Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Jason Wardrop, and in this video I'm going to break down how to create a Facebook Messenger bot for your buyer lead. So once someone opts into your landing page, your lead format, whatever it is, how to implement one of these Facebook Messenger bot follow-ups, which these are super cool, guys. So this is an example of what a Facebook Messenger bot actually looks like. And if you guys want this exact template right here, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and also drop a comment down below. Just say Facebook Messenger bots, and I'll be able to share with you guys how you can actually get this exact template that you can use in your business, right? So thumbs up, drop down a comment, and you guys will get this. So this right here, so it says, hey, first name, it's gonna auto-populate with whatever the lead's first name is. I see you're looking for homes in the area. That's great. There's a certain number of bedrooms you're looking for. They click on one of the options right here. Okay, perfect. Are you a first-time home buyer? And so forth. Okay, now I wanted to show you guys this in action from A to Z, and then I'll show you guys actually how to set this up. So if we come over here, this is an example of a buyer lead Facebook ad that we have. Okay, so it says attention, your city. So attention, let's say Phoenix. Do you know anyone looking to buy a home? Follow here. They click on this, they go out to a landing page, and then this person opts in. So they come in here, puts in their name, their email address, their phone number, and they throw that in there and they hit submit. And at this point, the person becomes a lead in your database, right? Well, the cool thing is here, it says, hey, thanks, help me put some homes together for you. And then they click on find homes for me, and this kicks them into that buyer Facebook Messenger bot for you on complete autopilot. So when you're out and about at appointments, showings, open houses, your kid's soccer game, whatever it is, this is all happening on the background on complete autopilot. And you can see right here, it says, hey, Jason, I see you're looking for homes in the blank area, right? So you could throw in your area, or you just eliminate that altogether and just say, I just see you're looking for homes in the area. That's great. Is there a certain number of bedrooms you're looking for? Yeah, I'm looking for 3 to 4 bedrooms. So they click on that, you get the response. You can check your Facebook page at the end of the day and see how each lead follow up and responded. And then look at this. This bot automatically follows up and responds to whatever you typed in or whatever the lead clicked right here. Okay, so it says, okay, perfect. Are you a first-time home buyer? So if they say yes, we now know that we can go through and get them with our loan officer partner, that we can go and get them some special financing perhaps. It says, great, how soon are you looking to move? I'm looking to move as soon as possible. Okay, great. Let me compile a list of homes for you. If you have any further questions, just ask them here. Okay, so that's pretty cool, right? That's pretty powerful. So now all you got to do is take this template that you guys are going to get, and this is using a Facebook Messenger bot tool called Manychat. Now they have a free version, or they even have a paid version for some more features, and the paid version is like 10 bucks a month. So if you think about it, to be able to connect with all of your leads for 10 bucks a month on complete autopilot like this, it's totally worth it. And the great thing about these Facebook Messenger bots is compared to email, you'll typically have like a 20 to 25% open rate, which means if you send 100 emails to 100 different people, you only have about 20 to 25 of those people actually opening those emails. Whereas with Facebook Messenger bot, it's more like 90 to 95% that open the messages. Okay, so like literally 4 to 5 times more people that open these, and then so many more people that engage with them. And so you're able to get a lot more quality data and a lot better sales conversations by leveraging these Facebook Messenger bots. Now, so with this Manychat tool, what we're gonna do is we're gonna come over here to our account, and we're gonna use these growth tools over here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna choose this buyer leads flow that you'll be able to transfer into your account. Okay, and then we'll come over here and it says, hey Jason, I see you're looking for home. So we see that's the flow that we're wanting. We just hit next, and then this is the URL that's going to direct people automatically into that Facebook Messenger bot follow-up sequence. So all we do is just copy this URL to clipboard. So we click that. So now you can see when we paste it into a new browser window. So if someone clicks on this link, look at this, it takes them to this Facebook Messenger bot and sends them right back through that whole flow that we were just showing you, right? Now, in order to set this up for your business, after someone opts in on a Facebook ad or on a landing page or anything like that, we have made this so easy for you to do, to set everything up A to Z in literally just 3 simple clicks of your mouse. So over here on the Arsenal system, if you come over here to the profile section, you click on your profile and you come down, you've got this buyer messenger bot. So you come over here, you can see I already got it in here, but if we just select that all and we paste it in there, that's all you ever have to do. You do it literally just once, and then for every new lead campaign that you set up in the future, this is automatically going to populate for all of your leads and automatically populate for the follow-up. So if we come back over here to the marketing tab to create a new buyer lead campaign, we just create a lead campaign right here. You can do market a listing, market open house, market for buyer leads, create a custom ad. What we're going to do in this example is we are going to market for buyer leads, right? Because we have a Facebook Messenger bot for buyer leads. So we're going to go over here, click on market for buyer leads, and we will give this a name. We'll say buyer leads messenger demo. And then we'll put in the average deal size that we like to work with. So let's say it's $500,000. And then the city, we'll say we're in Portland, Oregon. And we'll choose an image of a home. Come down here, I've got one right there. Just hit open. So we just fill out some basic information. That's one click, okay, just one click. And it says, where would you like the lead to go after opting in? So after they put in their name, phone number, email address over here on this landing page, where would we like to send them? Okay, so right here, we have our Facebook page automatically populated. We got our website, book an appointment, the buyer messenger bot, seller messenger bot, or a custom URL. Now, we want the buyer messenger bot, right? So we just click on that. And look, it automatically populates what we just put in the profile, and it will do that for every campaign that you create in the future. So you literally just do it once. Now we're on our second click. Now this is helping us create the Facebook ad for our buyer leads. Okay, so we put in a budget, which we recommend typically starting out at $10 per day. You could do more than that if you like. And you say, I understand, I am paying for the budget. And then we type in our city, so Portland, Oregon. Okay, it pops up right there. We just click on that. And we have the Facebook ad already done, already created for you. And with the third click of the mouse right here and launch the campaign, we are now creating the Facebook ad, the Instagram ad, the Facebook tracking, the Instagram tracking, the Facebook custom conversions. We're creating a 12-month email and SMS follow-up, and we're directing them over to the Facebook Messenger bot. So now you're able to have the follow-up via email, text message, Facebook Messenger bots, and you'll also get an instant lead notification on your mobile phone so you can call that person right away. That's pretty cool, right? So let's just check this out. So we've got the buyer leads messenger demo right here, and we click on lead page. This is the landing page we just set up, right, with the background image. Welcome to the Portland homes under 500,000 list. Get me the list. I come over here, put in my name, I put in my email address, I put in my phone number right here. Boom, pop that in, hit submit. Now at this point, they become a lead in your CRM, right? You get an instant lead notification. The automated email and text messages are being sent out, which I'll show you guys here in just a second. And then check this out. Okay, check your email for the list of homes. Find more homes for sale here. Okay, so they click on this, and this kicks them into that Facebook Messenger bot, which we showed you just a minute ago. Okay, so down here, hey Jason, I see you're looking for homes in the area. That's great. Is there a certain number of bedrooms you're looking for? Yeah, I'm looking for 3 to 4 bedrooms. Going back through this whole flow. Yes, I'm a first-time home buyer, so you guys have already seen how this all works. Okay, now coming back over here, this buyer leads messenger demo. Okay, we've got the Facebook ad already been created, right? That's launched. We got the landing page. We just showed you guys that. And then you can see over here your reports, your statistics, how many leads are coming through, emails being sent, open, clicked on, text message sent, how long the campaign's been running. And then check this out. We have a 12-month email and SMS follow-up already in place, and you don't even have to copy and paste any of the emails or text messages or anything. It's already done for you. Guys, how cool is this, right? So we've already got the Facebook Messenger bot follow-up. So you're following up with every single one of your leads via Facebook Messenger. You're following up with every single one of your leads. You're delivering the content that you promised on the landing page in the email. You're delivering, you're having the sales conversations coming in with the text messages. And when the lead responds to one of your text messages, you get notified on the Arsenal mobile app, and you can have that two-way texting inside the system. And when they respond, it will automatically unsubscribe the lead from the remaining follow-up messages, because look at this. We follow up for an entire 360 days with every single new lead that comes in. Okay, so we want to drip on these people, because sometimes people are ready to take action right away immediately. But then a lot of your leads, a majority of your leads, are not ready to take action quite yet. And so that's why we go through and drip on every single one of these leads. So anyway, guys, I hope this was helpful of showing you guys how to go through and get this whole Facebook Messenger bot set up for your business so that you can literally book appointments, get sales conversations coming into your business on complete autopilot. And remember, if you guys want this template, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up. Also, drop a comment down below. Maybe drop, say, buyer leads Facebook Messenger bots or something like that. and I'll show you guys how you guys can get this exact template to help you implement this into your business, as well as have a member of our team help you completely set up this whole thing A to Z. All right, so anyway, I hope this video was helpful, and with that said, I will see you in the next video.